we added the order header and order detail. Before we add that to repository, we have to add them to our DB context and we have to push them to our database. So I'll copy inquiry header and inquiry detail and I'll change that to order header and order detail. Once you make this change, we'll save this and we'll go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager. Make sure the default project is Data Access and we'll add a migration. We'll call this push order header and detail to DB. Once this completes, we will be adding the command to update database to push the changes to database. Great, so with this order header and details have been added to our database. Now we can add those to our repository pattern. This will be almost similar to what we had for inquiry header and detail. So we can copy the interfaces, paste them here, and we'll also copy the repository classes and paste them inside the repository folder. Perfect. Let's try to edit them now. We'll close all the tabs. And first let me rename. We'll do the same for the classes or the actual implementation. Once we make that change, then we'll copy the name in here and we'll start modifying the actual classes. Perfect, let's modify the interface as well. And great. So with this, if we build, it should build successfully now. Great. Let's go to our startup to make sure we register both of these services. So inside Rocky, we'll go to startup. And we already have quite a few services. Let me copy the inquiry header and detail and paste them for order. So with this, our repository is in place and now we can perform all the CRUD operations on order header as well as order detail. With that in place, let's continue in the next video.